Let's solve this question. This is a figure given to us. This is a figure given to us. Then we are asked to calculate ST, this ST, and then B, we have to calculate the area of PQRT. And this is PQRT. If you look at this, you can split them, you can split this figure, you can split this figure, you can also leave it here and solve it directly here. Because there are two figures here. The first one is STP, this is a triangle, and the second figure is PQRT, which is a trapezium. You know how a trapezium looks like. PQRT, look at it, is a trapezium. So, and this, of course, is a triangle. So to solve this is very simple. It's what we call trigonometry triple. Trigonometry triple. This is 4, this is 5, of course here will be 3 centimeters. If you understand what we call trigonometry triple. But you can also solve it by using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem to solve this, you can say 5. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem to solve something like that, this is our solution. Let's name this place S. So I will say 5, because this is facing the sun right now, PTX, giving us a triangle. This is my hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse equals to the square of the other side, square of the other two sides. So here I have 25. I want to show you how we can get this one to be 3. Then 25 equals to, here is 16 plus s square, such that s square, such that I will now have 25 minus 16 equals to s square. All right, s square. So 25 minus 16 will give you what? 25 minus 16, 4, that will be 19. All right, that will be 19. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. 25 minus 16. 15 take away 6. 15 take away 6 will give you 9. There was only 1. 1 minus 1. That was 9. Sorry, that's 9. That will give us 9. 9 equals to s squared. S squared. All right. Then now, to get s, therefore s equals to, as you taking this 9, we take root, square root of both sides. If you take square root of both sides, you have my x to be this, and that will give us 3. That is why 3 centimeter. That is why my x is 3 centimeter. Okay, so my x is 3 centimeter. So I can say this. I can say therefore for A. I can say that therefore ST equals to x equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, that's the first thing. Very first thing. Now, talking about the B part that asks us to calculate the area of PQRT. The area of PQRT is the area of a trapezium. And what the formula for calculating the area of a trapezium is, let me say, area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equal to, yes, equals to half of base times the height. Let me say E plus E, and then okay, the two side multiplied by the height. This is area of the trapezium. I have to solve the area of the trapezium. Then in this case now, we have this one over 2. Let me say my A is 10. What about my B? Let me put my B here. How do I know my B? My B, you already know that from here to here is 10. From here to here should be 10. For now, we have here to be 3. So it will be 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 will give me, what I'm saying is that to get my B, I will say 10 minus x, alright? And this is my 10, okay? 10 minus x which is 3, will give you 7. So my B is 7. I'll put 7 here. What about my height? My height, let me write it here. You know that I want to make use of this place. Now, you know that the area, the height of a trapezium can be gotten from here. This is the height of the trapezium. Now, if you look at this place and this place are the same. Alright? So definitely here is also 4 centimeters. So the height of the trapezium, of course, is 4. So this here is 4. Okay, so now let's go. Let's continue. How 1 all over 2. I get 10 plus 7 will give us 17. Okay, now 17 and half of half of let's apply half of 2 is half of 4 is 2, right? 2 times 7 will give you 2 times 17. So we are left with 2 times 17. 2 times 17 will give you what? 2 times is 14. I 4 keep 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 34 centimeters. 34 centimeters. Yes, this is the area of the trapezium, and we have gotten this as the length of ST. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to watch again and again because there is, there is an advantage in repeating what you watch in repetition. God bless you so much. Do well to also follow this page and share. Bye bye.